Hi, Zach. This is my Oreo cookie review of the 5 technologies that you posted. First of all, you have a great speaking voice, so I'm sure that you do well in a presentation or in your classroom. So everything sounds very clear, and it was pleasant to see all of the technologies that you shared, starting with Pixel Bay. As an ELA teacher, we do address the copyright issues. So I think that's awesome that you found a site where students could access different pictures in high quality resolution, and that the images are free. What a great idea for creating projects. We do novels in my class, and the kids get to choose a project at the end. And what I think Pixel Bay would be a great way for students to demonstrate, maybe tell a story using some images from that particular site. So thank you. One question I would have about Pixel Bay is, since you did show just kind of the terms and conditions at the bottom of the page, I'm just curious if we would have to cite Pixel Bay for a place that we got images, like we do Google Images or Clipart. So that was just something I was curious about. ThingLink was very interesting as well. It looked like a cool tool to, just like you said, highlight your department, showcase what it is that you do. And your demonstration of that was very easy to follow. Answer Garden. I had never heard of Answer Garden, but I do ask.com sometimes when I have some questions and things. But I think that you made a great comment when you said that it was good for brainstorming sessions and it was easy for items to be documented. Collaboration with peers and colleagues is very important. So if you've got a easy, accessible way to document all that, I think that would be very useful in a professional setting, classroom, or even at the workplace. And then Bounce, I had not heard of Bounce either. And your demonstration of that, I watched carefully. I'm not sure how I would actually utilize something like that, but I do see you made a good point when you said that it was free. The feedback, I did take note of the part that you can give evaluation feedback rather quickly, and that would be beneficial for students that might be writing a paper or working on an assignment that they would need some information on. So, and then finally, Grammarly. And yes, I am familiar with Grammarly. I have actually paid for the premium version when reading and assessing students' papers and works. It helps me with that. Also in writing my own papers and working on this particular degree. If you watch every now and then, if you're interested, they do offer a discount for the year. And I believe I paid about $60, $70 for an entire year, as opposed to the $160 or whatever it is. It was a 40% discount, so it made it very affordable. And it is something that I use. I do encourage the students to use it as well. I appreciate your candor. I think that's awesome that you are using a tool like that for yourself, and hopefully you will encourage your students to use it as well. A couple of concerns that I had was, without looking back at your introduction video, I'm not exactly sure what it is that you do teach, so that might be something that you would mention in your video. If someone were just to pull it up on YouTube and watch it, they may not have that previous information. And also, if you had any restrictions as far as age restrictions. I've run into some things with some of the new sites that require a 13 minimum age requirement of 13. And so that makes it difficult for my students because I teach 6th grade ELA. So overall, great presentation, excellent choice in technologies. Several that I had never heard of. So I am excited to give them a try. Thanks so much for sharing.